So this is the most recent system that I built, and as you can see, I have removed the side panel, and the side panel is here. Okay. Now to take a look at the components, see, this is the motherboard that I've used. Okay, it's the boxes here, you can see, and the CPU cooler and the power supply. Now the other things, and it's got this uh, gaming cabinet. Okay. Now the other things, like the hard disk, I'll have to remove the other side, so I'm not showing you. So this is where it is, and you can also see the memory. I put in a Corsair, I don't know what it is now. I think it is Rampage. Okay, so that's 4 GB RAM. Original, all this stuff. I mean, the motherboard, the RAM, I got it from the US. The rest of the components are from India. Now the hard disk is an old hard disk, but I'm planning to also put an SSD inside. So this is a system, and for which I'll have to remove the back case also. Okay, so yeah, so you get the idea. I'll show you the front side also, the front panel on top. So this is how it is. So if anyone is interested, just let me know, and I will also send the specs soon. Okay, I'll send you a message about the specs.